Hey, what's up? I'm Ryan and it's Quick Tip Wednesday. And as you can see, I'm wearing my Wednesday t-shirt, the same t-shirt I wear every Wednesday, as I definitely didn't film all these videos on the same day. So in this video, I'm going to show you a quick way to turn those pesky triangles into polygons. So sit back, relax, and let's get to it. So I've got this cube here, and for one reason or another, it split the polygons into triangles. So let's select our cube and head over into edit mode. Now hit A on the keyboard and select our model. Then hit Alt J, and there you have it, it's removed all of the triangles. So if you found this video helpful, feel free to give it a like, and if you have any questions or run into any problems, leave a comment down below and I'll try and help you out. That's all from me, I'll see you around.